Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. It looks like an omelette, it tastes like an omelette, but is not an egg omelette. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of the Eggless Masala cheese omelette. To begin, in a large bowl, add half a cup of gram flour, besan, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons fresh breadcrumbs, and half a cup of milk. Mix well until smooth. Keep aside for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Once the batter is well rested, add in a tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons finely chopped onions, 2 tablespoons finely chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 1 to 2 chopped green chilies, 1/4 cup chopped bell peppers, and 1/4 cup chopped button mushrooms. Next, add in a teaspoon of chili sauce, 1/4 teaspoon light soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Add a bit of water to a thick pouring consistency. Check the salt and add more if required. Just before cooking, add half a teaspoon of Eno fruit salt to the batter. If it is not available, you can add a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda instead. Mix. Heat a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of butter. Allow the butter to melt. Keeping the flame on low heat, pour the mixture into the pan. Cover with the lid. Once it is lightly cooked from the edges, add in 2 tablespoons of grated cheese and 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves on 1/2 of the omelette. Cover with the lid for a minute. Now fold it over. Cook for another minute or 2 or until cooked. Make sure the flame is always on the low. The Eggless Masala cheese omelette is ready to serve. Serve it with grilled tomatoes and toasted bread. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.